Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the more about the law of attraction. Law of attraction, people think we are just physical being. But today I'm going to make you understand we are not just physical being, we are mind, body, and spirit. So mind is your thoughts, and your body takes action, and your spirit is an energy. Be an energy being. Be 100% energy being. So then you can understand better, because when you look at the body, we don't understand how the law of attraction works. We are just sitting and waiting for the results to come. Or your results means your personal goals or profession goals. Energy is wherever we are focusing and we are consuming the energy. So once we know that, whatever we are doing, either we are taking action, or maybe we are thinking as our thoughts, or we are feeling emotionally something, we are consuming the energy. Because when we are feeling something emotionally, we are pulling that energy from the universe world. We're sending that energy first, and then it's coming back to us, the same energy. Same energy means there is a two polar opposite, either negative or positive. Most of the time, we're sending messages negative. Most of the time, 99% people are not aware of it. They think they are very positive, but how they feel emotionally, they're sending the signals to the universe world is the energy, and the energy is coming back, same energy coming back to us. And because it is the law, this is how the law works. The energy goes through us, we are releasing the energy as a negative or positive, and this goes to outside in the universe and then comes back to us, equal opposite whatever the energy we are sending to the universe world, and it comes back to us. Most of the people they don't understand that. 99%, I would say, people are not aware of that. People think I'm a very positive person. I think positive and I do think positively, and then the results are not positive. Why is like that? The results are not what we don't want, something we don't want. And because on underneath, we are not feeling good about ourselves. What is happening underneath, and we are consuming energy, and that energy keeps coming back to us, because that energy is like a magnetic. We are like a magnetic means we are sending the energy outside, then we are pulling the energy in. We're sending it out and then we're pulling it in. This is the process. So you have to watch yourself, how you feel emotionally. Now, from now on today, you're going to watch yourself, how how do you feeling emotionally most of the time. You have to watch over yourself. And if your feelings as emotionally are negative, that means that's what you're going to attract. That's why you're pulling that magnetic energy from the universe world. You're sending that energy first, then you're pulling the same energy from the universe world. And it just keeps going on, the same thing on the roller coaster, and people don't know how to change it. They think if they think positive, and keeps gathering the information, and they're going to get the positive results. That might be just for a short while, because more sometimes we really desperate to achieve something or do something. Our focus is 100% there, and we achieve things, but not for like long term. If you want to change things for like to change it, if you want to see the change your result, if you want to see your result to change, and then we have to change our thoughts and our emotions. So from now on today, you have to watch your emotions. Your emotions are energy. They are consuming energy. We are releasing the energy and we are consuming the energy. So it's a two-way process. We are using it and then we releasing it. So we're releasing it and then the energy is coming back to us. It's just like pushing something and then it push us back. The energy goes out and the energy comes in. Just like tide, like when you go on the beach, the tide goes in, the tide comes out. Tide goes in, the tide comes out. It's a process. It's a natural process. It's a natural process. It's um it's a law. So so whatever you're going to send to the universe world, always going to come back to you. So from now on today, if you want to change your emotions and feelings, you have to override it. You have to create the affirmation and something you wanted to see and experience, and you have to override it. My mentor used to tell us, and there is one lesson we have studied, to change something like say one or two beliefs, you have to make the affirmation one or two beliefs, and then you have to write it down 100 times in the morning, 100 times in the evening. Or you can record it, you can start listening your recording, or you can affirm it. Whatever way you can do that, we have to override something we want. And that way we can change our energy. That way we can exchange the energy, something not working us, something we wanted to see working for us. So we have to override it. So whatever we are listening and we are focusing on something we want, and it's working. It's working. And what to make it work every single day, we have to take action. People don't like taking action every single day. They take the action, they believe in something, and something not working, they're not seeing the result few days or after a while, and they give up. Never give up, because underneath that energy is changing, is working, because we are just seeing the physical being. That's why the results are not changing. We are not physical being, we are more than physical being. We are spirit being. Spirit is energy. So if you are taking the action, you're doing the homework, and you're doing all your action do list, keeps doing it, because there is a time to plant and then to take care of the your plants, and then there is a time to reap. So there is a gestation period of time, and you have to wait for that to get the results. So don't never give up. If you're taking the action, your focus is on your goals, and you got right information, you are taking the action, and your energy is a changing, because you cannot see it, because we are working with the metaphysical and the physical. Physical, that we are taking the action, whatever the action we are taking, maybe listening to the YouTube, affirming it, or writing it, doing the gratitude, or listening something or affirming something. So the physical way you are taking the action, but the metaphysic you cannot see, your energy you cannot see. Of course, you can see some other way, but like just looking at the body, you cannot see the energy. So energy is a changing, but you have to continues taking the action every single day, keeps doing your do work, your list work, and things going to change. So give some time to see the change. And for me, I'm studying every single day. I'm taking action every single day. I'm doing my do list every single day. and I can see things are changing for me. But if you're going to give up after few days or after few months, and then you're going to start all over again, and then you're going to give up again, you're going to start all over again, you're going to give up again, and it's going to go ongoing process. So, but you have to keep taking the action, keep doing your do list, and you're going to see the change because we are growing every single day. The growth we cannot see because it is a metaphysical, because it's an energy. Energy is changing underneath. We cannot see, but we are changing. My mentor used to give an example: one glass of water and one glass of Coke. And he used to show putting a one drop of water in the Coke every single day, one drop of water in the glass of Coke, and what's going to happen? Eventually, the Coke going to change as a white, as a clear. The Coke's color going to be a clear like a water because one drop by drop you're putting one drop water in the Coke, and eventually the Coke going to change the color. So that's what's happening underneath, and every formation we are taking the action and doing the do list every single day, and underneath the energy is a changing according to what you want, according to your goals, your personal goals, your professional goals. So never give up. Keeps taking the action, keeps doing the things every single day, not just one day, 2 days, every single day. You have to do your homework every single day. So that is the key. Most of the time, people they don't do their do list. They don't take the action. They don't do the things like a reading, writing the gratitude, doing the affirmation, listening to the recording or affirming or writing it down, your gratitude, writing down your goals and the visualizing. People don't like doing things every single day. But action is the most important part. Until you become that person, then you don't have to take the action because you are that person. Okay. So from start, you have to take action. Without action, there's no reaction. Cause and effect, give and receive. You have to give to yourself to receive something. So we are energy being. We are not just physical, we are more than physical. Energy we cannot see, but we are consuming all the time. So the law of attraction is an energy. So where our focus is, where our thoughts are, where our emotions are, and that's what the energy is going to be. So whatever the you are speaking or listening or taking the action, and you are consuming the energy all the time. So from now on, consume the energy, something you want and something you want to see the change. So you have to be the change. Okay. So hopefully this lesson going to help you as a law of attraction. Law of attractions are working all the time, just day after day, night comes after night, day comes. It's an automatic process. It's a beyond human control. This control is always working and working day and night. So law of attraction is working all the time. It's an energy. We are consuming the energy all the time. We are 100% energy being. When the body is dead, the energy is not there anymore. So we are not just body, we are more than body. We are energy being. We are 100% energy being. So we are consuming the energy all the time. So try to use the energy according to the universal laws, either negative or positive. So if you want to see the positive results, you have to start to use a positive energy as a positive affirmation, positive gratitude, a positive recording. So even whatever is happening around you as an environment, you have to keep the control of as a positive. So thank you for watching the YouTube. Hopefully this YouTube going to help you as a law of attraction. And what do you think of the energy? Do you think you are 100% being an energy being? And please leave your comment. Your comment is going to help me. And what do you think about the law of attraction as 100% energy? And if you like the YouTube, leave your thumbs up and give thumbs up. And I would like to see your comments. And so what do you think about metaphysics side of your spirit being? Thank you for watching the YouTube and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.